Hello, my name is Valerio Hoyos-Villegas. I am an assistant professor of plant breeding and genetics and lead PI of the pulse breeding and genetics program in the Department of Plant Science at McGill University. I am also the PI principal applicant of the Impulse project. It's called Impulse, which is a transdisciplinary project in technological development for the sustainable production of plant proteins in Quebec. And the primary aim of this project is to develop research to conduct breeding and development of elite lines for deployment for Quebec growers so that they can get involved in the plant protein and plant-based protein production sector with better technology. Second component involves the development of new field phenomics algorithms and technologies to enhance digital agriculture and accelerate breeding processes in these crops. There's a third component which is involved in the development of durable disease resistance in these pulse species of interest, particularly to the devastating white disease of sclerotiorium or white mold. In association with this last component, we wish to understand the underlying genetics of the limited amount of disease resistance available for this the challenging disease, as well as understand the signaling and co-expression processes that take place between the pathogen and the host plant. So for this purpose, we'll do a number of genomic experiments, as well as breeding and pre-breeding, development of breeding and pre-breeding populations with resistance to sclerotiorium. We will try to link this information with the construction of regulatory networks and the aim to identify new and durable sources of resistance for white mold so that we may better understand regulatory network information with disease resistance biochemical pathways. And the last component is to understand the economic impact of the expanding bean production and plant-based protein production in Quebec, specifically to estimate the profitability of bean production in Quebec across various crops regions, estimate the aggregate production of beans given various pricing and yield scenarios using the Canadian Regional Agriculture Model or CRAM model, and finally estimate the macroeconomic impact of expanded bean production and processing. The members of the project are myself as PI, Dr. Shangpeng Sun in the Department of Bioresource Engineering at McGill, Dr. Jacqueline Beed in the Department of Plant Science, and Dr. Paul Thomason in the Department of Natural Resources.